We talk about asking the right question. What if price goes down below this triangle, which is kind of below these two, where it's showing you some buy side imbalances pretty tight to where the price is? All right. That's called breaching a blue triangle, which is technically bearish. So, what if that happens? Well, if that happens and you're putting yourself in a position to ask the right question, then you're looking at the chaser to see if it shows you it's got the ability with many more sellers who want to sell it than buyers who want to buy it, which is what you need for the price of anything to go down. Do you get that? Right. And so as you're reading the market and you're asking the right question, like, I think it could go down if it breaches this blue triangle, and certainly if another one doesn't appear. And then boom, it does, or it starts. A couple other things. Does the laser go green? What does that mean, laser? Laser is this little guy. It's slightly more shorts, to longs. That flips, becomes more longs than shorts. Take a look at the chaser, 422 by 412. These two numbers, right? So it's pretty much balanced. And then it starts to get, I paused it, 340 by 490. Small sell imbalance. More longs than shorts. The laser's going green. I played it again. Boom. I stop it. It ticks down a couple ticks, begins to breach this blue, and you get a nice imbalance of just 223 buyers versus 629. That's a decent imbalance. If you're bearish and kind of aggressive, you can get short on this. If you're long, get the F out. And it's just maybe a probability that downside's the right side. That's it. That's all you have to think about. And then you keep watching the chaser. You see how it stays 600, 200 by 600. It showed a moment where it got below 200 a couple times. That would keep you bearish. So this move was predictable based on that kind of ready, aim, fire approach. In real time, we could make predictions that don't feel like a surprise when you're right. Just doesn't. So now let's go to another example. This was a pretty interesting one. I'm not going to record this one because it's a longer explanation and story.